Hi everyone, it's Beth with Phastek.com. Today we're going to be installing the ZL1 Add-ons Premium Tow Hook on our 2010 Camaro SS. So adding the tow hook to our Camaro SS for the 5th gen is a little bit different than when we added it to our 6th gen Camaro SS. The main difference being that we have to add this tow hook receiver plate to our crash bar on the 5th gen Camaro. So what that means is you need to remove the bumper. And as you can see, we've already removed our bumper. In case you missed that video, we'll have it pop up periodically throughout this video in the right-hand corner so you can watch it. But make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you receive an alert for all future videos. The Phastek crew has been wanting to add a tow hook to our Camaro because we plan to take our Camaro out to the track a lot more this summer. So adding the tow hook to your Camaro allows a safe and easy way for you to be pulled off the track in case something does happen. So for today's install, we'll be using our impact drill, our 13mm socket, 9/16 socket, pilot drill bit, our 3/8 drill bit, our center punch, a 9/16 wrench, a 3/4 wrench, and 11/16 wrench. So for our next step, we're gonna go ahead and mark the holes where we wanna put our receiver. You wanna make sure that you put your receiver on the flat part of this crash bar since it is curved. And you also wanna make sure that your smaller threads are pointing out for the tow hook. All right guys, next we're gonna remove these 6 bolts from the crash bar and get that off the front of the car. Now that we have the crash bar removed and we've placed it upside down on this table so we can see our markings where we want to put our receiver. I'm going to start with a center punch and then move on to a pilot drill bit before drilling with our 3/8 inch drill bit. Now we're going to start the hole with our pilot drill. There we go. Now we're gonna switch our drill and move on to the 3/8 inch hole. Now that we have our holes drilled, we're gonna go ahead and put on our receiver plate for the tow hook. Now that we have the receiver installed, we gotta put the crash bar back on, guys. Now that we have our bumper back on, we're gonna go ahead and secure our tow hook. For our last step today, we're gonna make sure that we've secured our tow hook properly. So first we're gonna use an 11/16 inch wrench to tighten up the back tow hook bar. Now we're gonna tighten up our locking bolt with our 3/4 inch wrench. And there it is, guys. There's our tow hook. We're gonna get ourselves off to the track. Make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.